Hi Andrea, I just want to show you two things for the website. Hopefully this will help for the future and show you kind of how to make the edits. I can honestly say this is not straightforward, and it's something that I had to stumble through and learn myself as time went on. But the two things we need to do, obviously, add the visit website button here and remove the italics text from here. As you see, I'd already done that here, but I saved this one for demonstration when I caught that there was a second. So let's show you how this is done. If we're looking at this smallest house, we will simply come to the text. Luckily, in this case, it does show you the italics button there. Sometimes it will look like it's not, but obviously, as you saw, it can appear that way on the website. The secret, if it looks normal, is to go over to this advanced area right here and just simply remove italic. That's also the secret to undoing, for whatever reason, this here, because if we don't un-italicize it in both places, for some reason it won't. So this was the missing piece for the italics, was just deleting the word italics from this spot. So if I hit update now, you can see that this is no longer italicized. The next thing we need is a button. Not an easy feat unless you've learned a trick that I'm about to show you. Let's go up to the restaurant section here. And of course, you can see we've got Alexander's here with no website button. We do have the waterfront here. We're going to go ahead and click not on the button itself, but next to it, just to bring up the actual box. I'm going to actually go ahead and duplicate this. Duplicating it leaves it in its existing form. It lets me kind of drag the secondary button up. And so now you can see we have the original and our duplicated that I brought up underneath Alexander's. Here's kind of the other secret thing that you would not know. If we go to edit as HTML, I have found this to be an excellent way to simply change the link without affecting things. So in this case, we're talking about Alexander's. So Alexander's of DoorCounty.com. If I simply hit update on this, if I want, I can also go back to edit visually, hit update. Then what you can see, if I go ahead and refresh my page, is that we have a visit website button that takes you to Alexander's of DoorCounty.com. So we have done the website button, and we have made this no longer be italicized. Okay, that is all you had to do. And I can certainly state that there's no way you could have known that. So don't feel bad. Thanks. Have a good day.